Hello everyone, Namaste. Thank you for watching my videos. I hope all of you are doing well. Today I am sharing recipe of Besan Chilla or tomato omelette. Tomato omelette or Besan Chilla, it tastes very good with achar, dahi, sauce, chutney. Do watch the video till the end so you'll get to know how to make Chilla sandwich.
We have finely chopped cilantro, onion, tomatoes and 1 cup of chickpea flour. Also we'll take water, 2 tablespoons of ghee, finely chopped green chilies, red chili powder, salt to taste and cumin seed powder. In a bowl we'll take 1 cup of chickpea flour or besan. In this we'll add salt to taste, red chili powder as well as cumin seed powder, chopped onions, chopped tomatoes and chopped green chilies as well as chopped cilantro. We'll mix all these ingredients and then we'll prepare a batter, adding water little by little. Now on medium flame, on a griddle or a tawa, we'll brush some oil or ghee and at the center of the tawa we'll add a ladle full of batter and spread it evenly. We'll keep the flame medium only. Now as you can see, the color of the chilla is changing. That means it's getting cooked properly. Now on the edges of the chilla, we'll drizzle some oil so that it gets cooked nicely. We'll cook this chilla till golden brown. Now we'll flip the chilla and cook from this side also. Now we'll add little bit of ghee from the edges. We'll press the chilla with a flat spatula so that it gets cooked evenly. Our chilla is almost done. We'll apply some ghee on this side also and once again we'll flip it and cook it. So our chilla is ready. In the same manner we'll cook all the other chillas also. So our chillas are ready. In 1 cup of flour, we got 4 chillas. Here I am serving them with chutney and tomato ketchup. You can also have chilla with bread. So let's make chilla sandwich. Now to make the sandwich, we'll take 2 whole grain wheat bread slices. We'll cut the edges of the slices. You can use any kind of bread, white bread or any other kind of bread of your choice. After cutting the edges of the bread, we'll apply butter on both the slices of the bread. On one of the bread slice, I will apply green chutney and spread it. On the other bread slice, I'll apply tomato ketchup. Now to the chilla, we'll give a slit in the center. So we'll use half of this chilla piece for the sandwich. We'll fold the chilla piece and place it in between the bread slices, and a sandwich is ready. So our chilla sandwich is ready. Have it with a cup of tea or chai and enjoy with your friends and family. If you like the video, then do share and subscribe.
See you next week with another recipe. Thank you.